You can convert the list to a string with join function. The items in the list are joined together with a space in between. You can change the separator by adding a second argument. You can also use special characters like new line. With a single quote, it will be treated as literal characters. If you change this double quote, the new line is inserted correctly. Also, the separator is not inserted at the end of the string. If you need a new line character at the end of the string as well, append it manually at the end.